Welcome. Today I received a little package from Australia, from Barebones. So he sent me, I guess that's a bill or invoice and some stickers. Thank you, Barebones. Let's see. Off camera, of course. Oh, cool. Some more stuff in there. And this is, oh, it's nice. It's iron on transfer. So I can iron it somewhere. It's pretty cool. Something new. I haven't had this. I will see where I can put this. Thank you so much, Barebones. And this is what I wanted. Of course, you all know I'm a sucker for challenge locks. Oh, not challenge locks, not a challenge lock guy. Not a big challenge lock guy. A logo lock, of course. Oh, I think this is extra. Thank you so much. So I can have my drinks cool. That's nice. Right now I don't have a beer, I just got a Red Bull. And it's a Barebones. So I got the tensioner because I wanted to try them. Now I have to check what I really ordered and what's extra. I don't want to claim that I have ordered something that I think this is also extra. Okay, it's cool. I have to check. So I wanted this. I ordered this because I really like the design, and you can never have enough tensioners. So we got the different sizes with this little ring, which I like personally. So what is this exactly? It's like a switchblade thingy. I have to check. But this is pretty cool. Thank you so much. So let's open this one up. So this is what I wanted. Because I really love, wow, I do love logo locks. And I could only order one because I would have loved two, because I got keyless entry on one side and the number is in there, 25291. Oh, it's also here. Okay, I'm wondering what that number means. And also there's the skull from Barebones. Gonna put it a little closer. As you can see, it's pretty cool, pretty nice. That's a nice logo look. I've never seen that. So this will go on my wall. And check the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a master lock. It can be easy and sometimes it can be hard. So this one works. So let's try to get it in a vise, maybe, and see if I pick it, or if I blame myself, or if I'm too stupid to pick it. I will put it on the shackle, or hold it on the shackle, because I don't want to fuck up the design, because I think it's amazing. I would have loved to order more than one. And I see the keyway is a little different than the one I'm used to, I believe. Or is it? I don't know. Can I? Okay, now that's easy. Okay. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Couple small clicks. And a false set. Nothing on 6. So let's go on 1 again. Oh, we got counter rotation here. So let's try solve the counter. Think that's no, still counter rotation. I think I fucked it up, but no, there we go again. Okay, now I think should be good. I'm not sure about 1. Yeah, still getting counter. And we open. Don't overturn it because then you will have a rattler. And this was a beautiful made, I guess it is 3D printed or something. Keyless entry, bare bones, lockpicking, 52915, master lock, lockout, tech out, not a lock. 6 pins, key, pretty nice lock. It will go straight on my wall. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.